Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 16. For this chapter, we will start styling our website using Bootstrap. By the time of that I'm recording this, we're using Bootstrap 5 as that's the latest, and I've used Bootstrap 4 before, but this for this one we're using Bootstrap 5, which is what's Bootstrap? Bootstrap's a collection of CSS files and JavaScript files used to build responsive websites. You can just type cdn bootstrap in Google and you'll be able to get to this page here where you can see all the links that you need to copy and add to your template or to your website so that you can start making them look better, neater. So you can just copy the starter template, and that's what I did, but I adjusted a few things and I already combined it with the code that I have. So this is the code that I have, the base.html code, and this is updated code, and you can find it in the GitHub repo. It's in the link in the description. I think I put it there. If no, I'll just add it to all the videos. So yes, so let me just copy paste this and start replacing the code that we have. So right now if you go to base.html, you have only this, but this is the updated code. So it has a bunch of HTML code. Once again, I'm not gonna explain all the HTML. You can check this on your own. HTML it's easier than Django to understand, so it's just tags. So you can go over this, and this is like a template that I took from the Bootstrap website. So it's not that I created it myself. I think I've adjusted a few things, but that's it. So okay, so let me just copy that really quick. Alright, so basically, so I have copied the code here, the updated code, and as you can see, it's a lot. It doesn't even fit here. So you can just review this on your own. This is just like the links that we had before, but let's run server so that we can see the updated nav bar, because that's the only thing that I changed here. So run the server and go to the main page, to the home page, and now you can see the updated nav bar. And if you go to listings, we're still keeping like the nav bar register. You still see the nav bar and all of that. You have the login button here, so it takes you to the login. I don't have this one redirects you to the home page. That's why I don't have the nav bar here. You can display if you want to or not. Okay, so that's for that, and now we're moving on to, so that's the nav bar again. This is just explanation here. So now we're just gonna style the home page. So let's make the changes to the home page. So once again, just copy paste. This is just a bunch of tags. So let me just start doing that. Just replacing the old templates with the new templates, with the updated ones. That's basically what this video is gonna cover. So open index.html and let's just replace everything with the updated code. So once again, this code it's in the GitHub repo, so you can just go and just copy and paste directly from there, or you can look at the right of my screen here, but it's a lot of typing. Yeah, I'll just keep it there for the ones who want to just copy that. Okay, so I have updated it. So now if I go to, let me just refresh. So now you can see that it changed, the homepage changed considerably. I think this is activated already. So if you click on it, it takes you to the listings. So it's like a jumbotron. So this one I just took it from the Bootstrap. There's like a Bootstrap template that allows you to have this. I changed the colors and all of that. All right, so the next one is, and this is how it looks. So for this one, we're gonna cover two chapters because they just go hand in hand. So chapter 17, which is the same, it's just me replacing the code. So I'll just try to go as fast as I can because this is just copy paste. So there's nothing to explain really. So open all listings.html and then just copy paste this code. And the reason why this is 2 chapters in the book, or maybe more, it's because of the templates. They take up a lot of space. So every time that you update a page, please check that you have updated the page correctly. So in this case, just refresh, go to the listings page, and as you can see, now we have it looks way better, as you can see. So let's keep updating the pages here. So again, you can just find the code easily in the GitHub. Let's go to the detailed listing page now. Alright, so I have updated the detailed listing page, so let's go see it. So refresh if you want to go to see this listing, let's say. So now you can see that it looks way better now. Alright, let's continue. My listings page now. Yeah, so that's this one here. Alright, so I have updated my listings.html. Once again, just repeat the process. Let's go see it. So for this one, we have to log in, so this one is not updated yet. So if you go to my listings, you should be able to see something like this, which looks better. Alrighty. So that's for these 2 chapters, and I think the rest of the templates I do it for the let's see what I do here. Oh yeah, so this is a different chapter. So for this chapter, in order to explain a few things that happen here, I'll just make a video that's gonna combine chapter 18 and 19 for the rest of the templates, because I'm doing something different here. I'm installing this, so I want to explain that. So yeah, so that's it for this chapter. So let me just show you the quiz here. It's a true and false, and the answer sheet. So yeah, in case you want to go over that. So I'll see you on the next video for the rest of the templates.